Let's talk numbers, because this is where the commercial pitch really hits home. Think about the massive financial cost of a single major IT outage or a data breach versus a clear, predictable monthly fee. You get the entire suite of services we just covered: the normalization, the security patching, the custom query design, the user training, and the server maintenance. The core task allowance is $56,000. When you combine that with the maintenance fee, your total monthly cost is just $71,000 for a physical server environment or $74,000 for a virtual server. That is an absolutely incredible return on investment, to have an entire expert team managing your structured data.
And as the cherry on top, Astra throws in these incredible complementary bonus features at no additional charge. These aren't cheap little add-ons. These are premium, enterprise-grade features to ensure complete data resilience. You get regular automated backups with offsite storage and actual test restores, which is huge because it proves your backups actually work. You also get comprehensive user management with periodic audits to keep stale accounts out, and full data replication, mirroring your database to provide the ultimate layer of operational resilience.
Now, what about your corporate secrets? Well, your business secrets remain yours. Astra binds itself to the absolute strictest confidentiality standards. It's a professional promise that actually survives even beyond the agreement itself. They aren't just managing your data, it's like they're locking it in a digital vault. All your proprietary information, your documentation, your credentials, your client lists, it is all perfectly protected under an ironclad confidentiality commitment.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to ask yourself a pretty hard question. Can your business really afford to leave its most valuable asset completely unprotected? Think about the true, devastating cost of a data breach, or those countless hours lost to a sluggish, unmanaged system. It is time to stop worrying about server maintenance. Let the professionals handle it. Get your precious time back and secure your data with Astra today.